Hey guys, let's talk about Module 00105, Introduction to Construction Drawings in the NCCER CORE curriculum. This is section 1.1.0, Basic Components of Construction Drawings. Some trade terms that you need to read over and become familiar with. And the first thing that we want to look at and get a little bit of understanding of is the title block. It says this block is usually going to contain a company logo, a sheet title, dates, draft person identification, drawing number, the scale that they drew it in, and the revision blocks. It says the title block area may be used like a business card listing office addresses and similar information. Okay, and one of the most important things that we want to look at just generally and as looking in our prints is our revision blocks. We'll make sure that we're working on the same revision as everyone else. Revision blocks is essential that craft workers always use the latest drawing revision. A very small change in one place can make a big difference somewhere else. All right, and then that was a short section, I know, but some review questions for that. It says the system for recording, documenting, and identifying drawing revisions by using a numeric or alphabetic sequence is called computer-aided drafting, drawing revision control, revision block control, or line of construction. And I'm going to say drawing revision control. Construction drawings, together with a set of blank, detail what is to be built and what materials are to be used. Is that specifications, blueprints, details, or legends? Well, every set of drawings comes with a set of specifications. And we want to make sure that we're checking both of those things that are there. We have to check the drawings and the specifications that come along with it. It says drawing revisions are recorded in the blank block of the drawing. The title block, the control block, the revision history block, or the CAD block. I'm going to say revision history block. It says the title block generally contains all of the following except sheet title, drawn by, scale, or legend. I'm going to say legend. The identification of lines and symbols in the construction drawing is called the key, the legend, the scale, or the specification. We're going to say the legend. All right, guys. Next section will be 1.2.0, drawing elements, and I will see you over there.